Yeah, you're up.
Hey, faces, welcome.
What's
going on? Welcome to the 2018 Arguments Football Pool, known as the Bonerless Arguments for 2018.
Bonerless?
Bonerless.
It's
yeah.
Bonerless this year.
Bonerless.
We switched it. Cobb took a stand.
Welcome to the official draft lottery. We're at Simon's wedding, the O-Dog's wedding here tonight. I'm here, of course, with Kyle Rappage, my trusty assistant. We've got Switzer's hat this year.
Of course, no hair in that hat, like normal.
No hairs in the hat. No hairs. Switzer, come in here.
Can you guys move over? The lighting is bad.
Okay.
We're being moved over.
No, this is fine. How's the lighting like this?
Much better.
All right, so we got a lot of managers in the house tonight.
Hey, how you doing? Can you brief the room? Get a good shot of the
See
room.
who's in the room.
A lot of managers, Mogo.
Blood force trauma.
God bless. Can we get Simon? Get the
trauma.
owner of the Oda. The owner of the Oda. Here he is. There he is. If he gets the first pick,
Let's put the names in the hat.
You got,
One, two, three.
if he gets four, if Simon gets the first pick, it's rigged.
8, 9, 10,
You're right for
11,
looking 11.
Oh, you just put two in.
13,
Okay.
14.
Okay, there are
All
14.
14 names are in the hat.
Can we get Zadie to pick a name on this?
Yeah, no, we're going to be going around. We're going to give lots of people opportunities to pick today.
Okay, so due to the fact that it is his wedding, we're going to let the O-Dog pick number 14. Remember, we go
number
from 14 to
14 to
1.
1.
He's starting at 14. So the O-Dog is picking number 14.
No vision.
With the 14th pick,
What we
it
got?
will be made by...
Rams.
Man. Bring the
He
father
saw
of
it,
the
he
groom
saw
in
it.
for number 13.
Rams own number...
No.
Jeff!
Jeff, come on. Get in for number 13. He's looking by. No, you're the Jeff we're talking about.
Excuse me, sir. Number 13, just one piece of paper. Show it to the camera and read it out loud.
We got
Team Juice.
Show it to the camera. All right, thank you, Jeff.
We have Team Joseph with the 13th pick.
Father of the groom picking Team Joseph as the 13th
Nobody
pick
in the room.
overall.
Somebody writing this down?
No, we watch it
We'll
out.
watch it later.
We'll go for a walk around.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk. All right, Robin.
Wait, hold on. That tequila shot.
Oh, we're gonna have a quick tequila shot.
Okay,
Go
quick.
on, get him picked. Get him picked first.
Get him a pick.
So we're going to ask you to
Zadie
pick
will get
one
one.
out of the hat.
Just one piece of paper.
This is great.
There you go. The number 12 pick.
Hold it up to the camera.
Open it up and hold it up to the camera.
Oh, Zadie, you're a beauty. You are an absolute beauty, man.
O-Dog. Chargers.
Thank you, Zadie.
Thank you so much.
All right, Zadie. Let's go to Carly.
Wait. Brief stop.
No,
Brief
how ready are we? Do we have a moment?
What happened?
Shot.
Okay, this can be done. This can be.
Oh, get Howard.
Or no, this
Oh, the doctor.
We can get one done.
The doctor's got the next best.
Pick number 11. Just one name. One name.
Oh, he shuffles.
He's a pro. He knows how to do
He is
it.
the doctor after
Number
all.
11 goes
No
to...
suit.
No suit for you.
No suit.
No. There's the reaction right there. The no suit for you.
No suit
The
for
number
you.
11
Okay.
pick.
I think that's what I got last time.
It's not too bad. Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Nothing wrong with number 11, really.
Switzer, how about you, man? Pick number 10.
Okay, sure. I'm happy to do it.
Pick your own. Pick your wish.
Pick your. I don't.
Do a little shuffle. Do a little
Do a
shuffle.
little shuffle. I have one in my hand. That's like.
You don't have to shuffle. Number 10 goes to...
Let's see. Let's
I
see.
think I see it.
Shaq.
Shaq.
my bro.
Shaq.
Hold on, lighting's not good. You can't see it. There you go.
I was getting one of the next three.
Give me the honor.
The O-Dog for sure is
Hold on.
going to be this pick,
Brief
I'm feeling.
stop.
hiatus.
Brief hiatus.
All right. Head
Brief
show
hiatus.
Mexico. All
You can
right.
go on the Facebook Live.
Yeah. To the draft lottery.
Cheers.
Jeff. No, he doesn't drink. Okay.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Not free speech. All right. Not free.
Here's Kyle coming to take his
Why don't we
drink.
talk a little bit while we're waiting?
Go
So
for
What
it.
do we know about the draft
Next-
so far?
Let me
next
walk
pick
around
is
with the
number
phone.
9.
No, what do we know so far? What do we know so far?
We're going to be taking a shot right now.
The only person left.
Oh, we always lose count.
Number 10.
This is number 10.
Can I have one?
No, number 9.
Don't worry. We got it all under control. These are all the men.
Chargers, Joseph, and Shaq.
Yeah, 10. Next, there's 9.
Yeah, next is that.
To Carly.
Oh, no,
To Carly.
To Carly.
Carly.
That's all Mexico.
Oh yeah, look at these gents. Okay, we're on the run again. Well, I almost walked into the camera, everybody.
not right.
Give it back to Claire.
It doesn't look right. It doesn't look
Give it
right.
back to No Sue.
Something's going on
Give
there.
it back to No Sue.
Let me get some
He's
Hector.
you're truly No Sue this year.
Okay, come.
I truly am. There is no
Sue.
Sue.
I'm Sue.
There is no Sue for me.
No Sue. Follow you guys?
Yeah, we're going. We're going.
Where are we going?
Father of the bride.
Father of the bride.
Father of the bride. Father of the bride is next. Let's get him on.
What pick is this right
Number
9.
Nine.
One
Pick
wing from the hat.
Show it to the
Show
camera.
it to the camera.
With the 9th pick.
With the 9th
In the
pick.
Bonerless Arguments.
Hold on.
Your son-in-law. It will probably.
You got it! Hold on!
I would have the 8th pick.
Theodore.
I said I would have the 8th pick.
Hold it.
Always number 9.
Hold on.
Always number 9.
Who's doing 8, fellas? Yeah, we got it.
Rampage and Switzer. Let us just say, we're all live.
And the Bud Force. Yeah,
We're all live.
I want the first pick. I think the first pick is good.
Hardly available.
Mother of the bride.
Mother of the bride.
Mother and Victor. What about sister?
Let's get a shot of the shot.
Brother of the bride?
Yes.
Sure.
All right, Steven Sazent, you're going to select the 8th pick in the Arguments
Longest
football
draft lottery video in history.
Please select one name. You're number 9.
gotta be
Please
so
select a name.
frustrating to those who
Show it to
are
the
actually
camera.
I think
watching
they'll enjoy it.
This one or the professional one?
How many people you
This
got?
one, the professional one.
The terrible
This is the
towel.
Oh, we are live.
Number 8.
We're
Still good, boys. We're still good.
I haven't been in the front half of the draft in years. This is
Oh my
I feel like we're always in the front half.
Hey, where are we going
Jason
to
side.
next?
Jason side. Pick one. You're picking number 7. The number 7 pick will be made by this selection, which is Herbie's Hero.
Dead in the middle.
Herbie's Hero.
Dead in the middle.
Prime safe
We're
on
still
Marvel
alive.
territory.
Herb, come here for
We're
a second.
still alive.
Come here.
We're
Come
still
here.
alive.
Let me just fix
Yeah,
that.
fix
Oh,
it.
yeah.
There you
Fix
go,
it,
pal.
fix it.
The tuxedo version of the
Oh, here
Arguments
comes
football.
Dave.
Come on,
Here we
Dave
go.
Sazen.
Dave says Come on down.
Please pick one name.
What are people saying?
The name that you select will be picking 6th overall in the Arguments football pool draft.
Are you sure we're
I saw, that's
Carly
that's
should
me.
pick number 2
I see
to create number 1.
I see me.
2 and 1 for Carly.
Show it to the camera.
Switzer.
I look forward to
Show it
scooping
to-
your
show it.
picks all draft
Switzer.
long.
There it is.
Number 6.
I'm scooping you on the way back.
I like number
All right,
Still
Carly.
gotta go. Carly's
Carly,
next.
do you want it?
Carly's
Do you
next
want?
up.
Do you want to be?
Carly's 2 and 1.
Okay, you gotta do one.
Okay.
But one.
Do you care to be on the video?
I got.
Oh, I don't need
we
to be
still
on
gotta
video.
take
I don't
ours.
care.
Yeah, you guys should
Oh,
take.
no, I
Get
should
them
be on
over.
video.
Right. Exactly. Carly's gonna pick it.
Okay.
You can show my
But
hand.
we're not showing
They
Carly.
can't give a sneak
Okay.
peek.
Number 5.
Number
See,
5.
I think about these
I
things.
like that. Smart.
The
No Thrills Football Club.
You're done.
So here we are. There's 4 picks left.
These
3
guys
people
always
in the room.
rig. These guys always rig. Why are Rapids and Herbie at the top again?
He already said it.
Guys, Arguments Fool fun fact, I have never been as high in the draft order as I will be this year.
I am
What's that,
every
you
year.
get me? I will be fact checking that. I will fact check that.
Every year. For pick 5, we'll go to Rapids.
I don't think Rapids has ever picked below 3.
Pick 5 will be made by the
Blunt Force Trama. Blunt Force Trama.
I'm wrong with 5.
All right, 4 picks left.
Okay, now we're getting in the way of things.
Who are we going to? It's gonna be my pick. It's gonna be my pick.
Okay.
Let me hold.
It's good. I got it.
Hold the camera.
I'm hoping yet.
All right, pick 5.
Yasta.
Pick 4. Pick 4. Yasta.
I forgot he was in the pool. That's how irrelevant his team is.
Yasta.
All right, we're down to the top 3. Rapids is still alive as per usual.
That's what I'm talking
Who's
about.
gonna pick it? Who's gonna pick? Brian Lebowski.
No, we gotta get a kid. We gotta get a kid to pick.
We don't have a kid.
No, give Brian.
This is Brian.
Brian.
We gotta go to Brian. We're on our way to Brian.
We got a problem. There's only 2 things left in here.
Oh Jesus. Oh my God.
Oh, someone must have taken it too. Check that down.
No, because the person that's not in there. That's good.
We got
Hey,
we're missing one. We're missing.
I just check right now.
Perfect. So I was just talking to the wedding planner about the whole. So Steve and I currently, once the circles go on place, Steve and I bring the chairs. So the chairs have to happen first.
Yeah,
After
as
the
they
chair.
should.
So bride and groom,
All right.
sometime, parents.
Brian,
first,
please
and then
pick.
after that,
Brian.
then whatever.
The third
Yeah,
pick.
there's
Brian,
first anyways.
number.
Perfect.
I don't know if this is.
Second pick.
There's only 2. There's only
Yeah,
2.
only second. Pick one of them. Just pick one.
Rampage and
Gurin is an honor.
the new member.
And the second pick of the
Bonerless.
Bonerless.
Bonerless
Arguments.
is Gert. Oh, pick to Rapids again.
Rapids gets picks number 1.
First pick again. There we go.
Fuck yourself, Kyle. Go fuck yourself.
Draft is 3.
Thanks for watching the
Let's
Bonerless
recap,
Arguments Draft Football Lottery. Football Draft
There we
Lottery.
go.
Rapids will be picking first. So I'll be picking
Number
7
1.
or 8. We don't know.
This is beautiful in the
We'll have to
background.
rewatch.
I know. Look at. Oh,
you
don't
can't
show
show
Kyle. No, we didn't see. Did it? No one
We
saw.
saw a glimpse.
We didn't see anything.
Thank
We
you
got
for
it.
watching. Good luck on the season. Have a great day, everyone. See you at Simon's wedding. If you're here, if you're not, sorry. We like you.
You're not good.
Have fun.
Right.